children, happy Sankranti for everyone. Today in the previous video we drawn the baby, crawling baby. Now we have to color that. Okay, now let's start coloring. First we will take blue color. Fill it. And now black color. Okay, now the hair is over. Now with this skin color, and now for the hands also. Okay, now the skin color is over. Now we will take that and color it like this. And pink. Now dark blue. And now pink. Pink belts. Brown, no need. We will draw with the dark green, the shirt. Okay, now with the pen, which color? We will draw with orange. It is nice now, crawling baby. Now we will draw black border like this. Not black border. Now we will draw with the green color. Now it is finished now. Is it nice? Tell me, and thank you for watching this video. Happy Sankranti for everyone. Celebrate nicely. Bye bye.